ស្វាគមន៍យ៉ាងកក់ក្ដៅពីសំណាក់លោកអ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងនិងប្រធានផ្នែកការិយាល័យជួរមុខរបស់សន្តាគារសុខា Siem Resort រាល់គ្រប់សកម្មភាពនិងព័ត៌មានសិក្ខាកាមរបស់ STC គ្រប់រូបបានផ្ទៀងផ្ទាត់ស្ដាប់យ៉ាងយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ខ្ពស់បំផុតមិនថាជាព័ត៌មានបាក់លេខសន្តារកិច្ចឬក៏ជាព័ត៌មានទូទៅនោះទេសិក្ខាកាមរបស់យើងបានត្រងត្រាប់និងកត់ត្រាយ៉ាងយកចិត្តទុកដាក់បទពិសោធន៍នៃការសិក្សាស្រាវជ្រាវដ៏ល្អបំផុតមួយនេះបានបង្រៀនពួកគាត់ឲ្យស្គាល់និងយល់ដឹងនូវអ្វីដែលជាបដិសណ្ឋារកិច្ចនិងអ្វីដែលជាជំនាញរបស់ពួកគាត់ឥឡូវនេះយើងមកទស្សនាជាមួយនឹងចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍របស់សិក្ខាកាមចំនួន2រូប
I just want about my feelings of visiting here in Sokha Siem Reap. I was very happy because I've never been here such as a big hotel in Siem Reap because I was just studying about the theory and some action, some practice at the school of STC. And now we are here at the Sokha Siem Reap. I'm very excited because there I can see how employee, how the receptionist greeting people and process payment, and the room here is so perfect, and even the pool is so clean, environment clean as well.
When I come to visit here, I feel really excited because I see how the receptionists here working in real life and see how they work effectively. And one thing I really excited because my teacher in our school, they take us to see how they work in here.
We are front office trainees reshaping our future with STC.